Hey guys, welcome back to Cheesy Crafts. I'm kind of cleaning up my area here, so just bear with me. I am going to be sharing with you a video on how to do an interactive notebook. I want to show you what I have first. So I have this magnetic adhesive sheet that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm going to be using the paper kit that you guys saw on the haul video. This is Space Wars from the brand Reminisce, and this is what I have left, 2 of these. So I am going to be using that to decorate these albums. I also have these stickers right here. These were part of the kit, and I purchased 2 sheets. This is all that I have left from the other one. And then I picked up this Star Wars stickers from Hobby Lobby a few months ago. I was doing another Star Wars project. So I have some of these left, and I'm going to be using them or try to incorporate them. And I also have the Disney Star Wars 12x12 paper pad that I also picked up from Hobby Lobby. This paper is a lot more thinner than the Reminisce one, and therefore I don't know if I should use it. Let's just try it. So let me move everything out the way, just so that I have space in the kitchen table. I'm gonna move the stickers. I'm gonna use that as a top. So what I want to start doing is, first I want to cut my magnetic sheet to size. And it doesn't have to be perfect because, like I said, this part is going to be covered. And we can go ahead and pull it back and then center it where we want it. So I'm gonna stay within this area and then just pull back and then we're going to probably trim right here. Careful that you don't go cut the notebook, of course. Well, maybe I should just use my scissors, because I sure did go through the thing there. Let me, safer side, right? Okay. Okay. It's not straight, as you can see, and that's perfectly fine. We have a little bit left over, so we'll put that aside. And now we're going to use our paper to cut, to measure to the notebook. So I want this to cover, it doesn't have to go all the way up here because I'm going to end up using duct tape, but we could get as close to it as we can. So we're going to say it's about 6.5 to 7. So we'll go ahead, and this one, I'm going to keep it at around 10. Okay, so I'm gonna do it there. And for this, for the paper, to secure the paper, I am actually going to be using double-sided tape, and I am going to be going all the way around. getting it as close to the edge as possible. Just for extra secureness, we are going to be using double tape. I mean, not double tape, duct tape, to secure it even better. This is just to secure the paper. Okay, before I'm gonna start off in a corner very carefully, because I want to make sure I get it right. So let's see. Now we can go ahead and trim off the excess. I am going to create a fake laminate project here. So I'm going to start here, just a little bit over, because you don't want bubbles, so make sure you press on it. You're going to have a little bit left over right here. That's fine, because we want to protect that paper. So all you have to do is just fold that piece over and try not to get stuck. So we're gonna fold that over and cut a little bit here so that I get a good curve. We're going to flip it this way, and I'm going to trim the tape. Just follow the line of my mat. The tape is all the same size on the inside. We could have done this better, like maybe adhered it to the mat. But see how they're all the same? I don't know if you guys can see. We're just going to bend it over. And we're going to do the same on this side. I think it would have been better if I would have, as I'm placing it, I'm not only placing it straight there, but I'm also doing it this way, you know? Okay, and then same thing. We're going to fold it over. And this is just a way to protect the paper, because to be honest, it is kind of flimsy. So I don't want the edges to get torn up. So now we're going to bring in over our duct tape, and we're going to get it here so that it protects the binding part. We're going to cut, oops, let me not do that, because then I end up okay. I'm gonna fold it over. I'm gonna open it, and I'm going to trim probably like 1/2 inch in the center, making like a little doorway. So I'm just cutting. I'm gonna cut and then cut it down there and pull. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then for this one, we're just going to flip and let it overrun the other tape. Same thing here, just put it there. Same thing in the back. And there's the cover. Now, what are we gonna make it the magnet? So let's do this one. Because these stickers are clear. Oh, well, you can't really see it. Oh, let's put it on a white background. Or maybe let's use this one. I'm going to take a scrap. This is one of the scraps that I used to cut it. And I'm going to, let's see if it's gonna fit. I'm going to adhere it there. And now I'm going to trim around. Actually, before I trim around, let's do the same thing. We're going, and actually this is like the thickness. So I'm going to save the packaging tape by using the same one. Flip it over. And now we have a laminated image. Now we could go ahead and cut. And there we have it, a laminated little action thing. And I bought these magnets from Michael's. They're already adhering to each other. So I'm going to put one in the back. I'm going to use a drop of E6000 E6. I don't know why I keep saying E6. And I'm gonna put it there. I know you guys can't see. Let me zoom you in. There's the little magnet. And I'm going to put it in the center and let it dry. And once it's dry, you're gonna have, and what is this? Oh, I got a little bubble here. And then once it's dry, so you'll be able to put the little magnet. Hey guys, I'm gonna end up using the tape to cover this one as well, but I just wanted to show you the interactive ones. They have magnet underneath. Adriana's about to throw the aircraft over to the notebook.
Let's see if I make it. This is like basketball. Dang it.
You missed.
Try again.
Okay.
And
She's like 2-3 feet away.
oh god.
Babe, just flip it over. There
Got
you go.
it.
See? It's magnet. It won't flip over. Move it anywhere in the center.
What did this like distract kids?
I know, so please don't tell the teachers. And then here's the other one. That's a magnet as well, you guys. And that's the one.
I'm gonna throw it on.
The E6000 works better than the other glue that we used. So that's not magnet.
Aww.
Only this one and this one are magnets. Mama stop. Okay, so let me put this one And even if you put this type of tape over it to protect the edges, it will still work through the magnet.
I'll show you when she's done taping it up.
Just trying to press. Trying to get them even so that.
Plus, it makes it look cooler.
With the tape.
Yeah. In my opinion, at least. It's been a long time since I've been on the channel.
I know, where you been?
Drawing.
Too busy drawing.
You guys probably already know this, but I love to draw.
And then where's the aircraft goes with that one?
Pew pew.
These two are the magnet ones. And then these two are just regular without the magnet sheet. So I think I'm gonna cover this one. And that's gonna be it for today, you guys. I'm gonna spend the rest of the time covering this one with tape as well, and then I'm gonna move on to making Adriana, which will be Harry Potter inspired. I'll share some of those with you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'm going to be sharing a few pictures of the Star Wars and also the Harry Potter ones. Once again, thank you so much, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.